What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're going to go over the 10 best fully electric vehicles you can use for rideshare driving. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to Play Octopus. Play Octopus is the best platform out there for rideshare drivers, hands down. They send you a tablet in the mail. You can get yours for free, by the way, by using the link in the description below. And on that tablet, you can play games. The passengers can get access to local weather info, local community events, and a lot of other stuff. But the best part is, if they're using that tablet, you get paid. You can actually make money each month just by them playing on the tablet. On top of that, Play Octopus drivers will see higher ratings overall, increased tips, and honestly, guys, it's a phenomenal conversation starter when they see it right away strapped to the back of your headrest. So like I said, get yours for free by using the link in the description below. Let's jump right in. So what I did with this list is I factored in first cost, because generally these can be kind of pricey, and then range. So the range isn't in the exact order that it should be, but the cost is. I do think this could be a good option. Right now, I'm not fully convinced myself because it seems like there's long lines at these charging stations. But if you're able to have your own charging station, it's a pretty good option. So number one is the Hyundai Ioniq Electric. Comes in at a pretty good range, 155 miles. If you're a full-time driver, that's probably not super ideal. You can burn through that pretty quickly. Number two is the VW ID3 long range model, which actually comes with 280 miles of range. That's pretty ideal. That's more of where you'd want to be for a daily full-time driver. Number three is the Chevy Bolt EV, 238 miles, pretty good range. I just don't really like the Bolts. I'm really not a fan of any of these personally. But if I were to buy one, the Bolt, just from the overall look, is probably not one I'd go for. But the range is pretty solid. The Nissan Leaf E Plus, pretty small, but 200-mile range is pretty decent. Number five, the Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. The Teslas are sleek, and honestly, they're sweet vehicles. I've driven every single model. They're very, very, very fun to drive, very fast. 210 miles of range on this one. The other ones are too pricey, so I didn't even put them on the list because I don't think any of us that would consider it would be able to go for the pricier options. Obviously, the Model X would be sweet. It's just not realistic. But if you wanted to get one, obviously this is the perfect little sedan to get from Tesla. Number six is the Fugate E2008. I don't think it's based on the year, E2008 SUV. So a little more space in this one, but only 158 miles of range. Next is the Hyundai Kona Electric. That comes in at a whopping 280 mile range, but one of the pricier models, no doubt. And it is an SUV, which again is killer. If you are going to be able to go fully electric, getting an SUV along with it would be an awesome, awesome option. Number eight on the list is the Kia e-Niro, 230 miles. Not the biggest fan of this, but it's, it's up there. Number nine, the VW e-Golf, 115 range, so not the most solid as far as range, but if you're a part-time driver, that could be a great option. And number 10 on the list is the MG ZS EV version, 135 range, not the most ideal, but I do think this one is a lot sleeker looking than the rest of them. So, could be a good option. As you guys all know, in the next, 8 years, Uber says they're going to be fully electric and you'll be kicked off the platform if you don't have a fully electric vehicle. Very annoying, especially because they'll probably speed up that timeline and make it the next 5 years. If I were you guys, I do think the Teslas are the best models. I mean, they just seem to be the most reliable from everyone I've known that's owned them. So I would look into number 5 on the list, the Tesla Model 3 Standard Range. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below about EVs and Uber's push for them. Personally, not the biggest fan myself, but won't knock anyone who's at least trying, I suppose. Make sure you check out Play Octopus. Get your free tablet by clicking the link in the description below. Stay safe out there more than anything, guys, and stay tuned for more updates.